Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your eBay account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Sign into your eBay account. Before changing your settings, use the shrok.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section. Click on Account from the drop-down menu and then select Personal Information. Step 3. Find two-step verification. In the Personal Information section, look for two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Click on it to access the settings. Step 4. Enable two-step verification. Follow the prompts to enable two-step verification. You may need to enter your phone number or email address where you want to receive the verification codes. Step 5. Verify your setup. After entering your contact information, eBay will send a verification code. Enter this code to confirm that two-step verification is set up correctly. Now your eBay account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your contact information updated to avoid any issues with receiving codes in the future.